Someone smiled at you, but deep down, you knew they weren't being real. Ever felt that? Most people ignore the signs their gut picks up, and that's exactly how they get manipulated. These 7 body language signals? They reveal everything people don't say out loud. 1. The fake smile. A real smile reaches the eyes, crinkles, soft cheeks, relaxed brows. If their mouth is smiling but their eyes stay cold, something's off. People do this to mask discomfort, fake agreement, or hide tension. Most people get this wrong. They assume a smile always means trust. But not every smile is sincere. 2. The sudden eye rub. If someone rubs their eyes or temples mid-conversation, especially after you say something important, that's often a microsign of disbelief, emotional discomfort, or even lying. It's like their brain is trying to erase what they just saw or heard. We ignore it, but our subconscious knows better. 3. Crossed arms and shoulders. Crossed arms alone? Could be comfort. But if they tighten their shoulders, pull inward, or lean away, that's defensive. It means, I don't feel safe here. In arguments, this is your sign to slow down. In relationships, it's your signal to listen more. 4. The foot point. Where someone's feet point is where their attention really is. If you're talking to someone, but their feet are angled toward the door, they might be physically present but mentally checked out. It's subtle, but incredibly telling. 5. The lip press. When someone presses their lips tightly together, they're holding something back. An opinion, a truth, maybe even an emotional reaction. It often appears right before they say, I'm fine. Pay close attention. It's not about what they say, it's about what they didn't say. 6. Self-soothing touches. Playing with a necklace. Rubbing hands. Touching their neck. These are comfort gestures, ways we calm ourselves when we're anxious or unsure. If someone does this after you ask a tough question, it's not random. Their body is talking. Are you listening? 7. Eye contact drop at the key moment. They've been holding eye contact, but suddenly glance away right when you ask something serious? That shift is loud. It doesn't always mean they're lying, but it does mean something just triggered discomfort. Don't accuse. Just stay present and give space for the truth to come through. So now I'm curious. Which of these signs have you actually seen before but ignored? Or worse, which ones have you done without realizing? Tell me in the comments. You might help someone else catch a red flag they were missing. If this made you look at people differently, even just a little, subscribe to BrainRipple. Because the more we understand human behavior, the more control we gain, not over others, but over ourselves. The brain speaks through the body. You just have to learn how to listen.